Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lace stitch. It only has 3 rows and then you can apply it to many projects. For example, a sweater that I just made, I just published it, and I'm going to leave the link above and also below in the description box. So take a chance. Okay, let's start with row number 1. We are going to pass the first stitch, knit the second one, yarn over, then the next 2 points we are going to be knitting them together. Yarn over and knit the next 2 points together, yarn over and knit the next 2 points together, and continue like that for the rest of the row. And at the end of the row, if you have 2 or 3 stitches left, just knit them normally. So turn the work, and now we are facing the wrong side. So we are going to begin now with the row number 2. Okay, so the first one, we just slip, pass it to the other side. And now we are going to start knitting, although we are in the wrong side, we are not going to purl, we are going to knit all the stitches. And now we turn the work, and now we face the right side, and we can see now a contrasting line, and it's forming the lace. It's showing it more clear. And now we are going to start with row number 3, which is the last row for this design. And again, we are going to knit every single stitch. And remember to give me a like and subscribe. That way you get all the notifications of my next videos. Okay, so by now you know the secret of this beautiful lace stitch. You can continue then knitting the pattern that you are knitting. In my case, I am using the jersey stitch, and I will be knitting it for a few more rows and then repeating the lace stitch. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you are going to be able to use this pattern in many of your projects. Remember to give me a like and subscribe. That way you will get notifications of my next videos. And remember that I'm leaving in the description box the video, the link for this beautiful sweater, so you can give it a try. So, my friends, I hope to see you soon in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.